Krishna everyone, my name is Vivaan and I am from 7 Kings Bhakti Siksha class. I am going to tell you how to chant in a chanting bead. This is a chanting bead. It is made out of tulsi or neem, which kills bacteria. There are 108 beads in a chanting bead. 108 is a very auspicious number because there are 108 Upanishads and 108 gopis of Lord Krishna. We never chant on the Krishna bead and we never use the index finger while chanting because it causes anger and false ego. We put our chanting beads and in our bag and chant. Remember I said we never use the index finger, so we put it out of the bag. We say the Panchatattva mantra three times before we start chanting, which is Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Saraswati Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. And we start Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare Hare. And we pull it towards us. That means we are pulling Krishna towards us. After we start and finish 108 mala chanting bead, then we pull it around and
Turn it around
and start again. To keep our track of chanting, we pull one of these beads in a line. Hare Krishna everyone and keep chanting.